ekele my senior colleague, Honorable Osin Chukwu. Affect leader in no particular order, I want to stand for. Because I would have loved to wait and hear all that Austin has to tell us for today. But incidentally, I have a small domestic function. I have invited people, and for the next 1-2 hours, they start coming to where I get together. And it will be wrong when they get there, they won't find me. I want to appreciate the people of the Federal Constituency for the massive support people have given to His Excellency, the Governor, my brother, Owele Luchas, in the past 6 years plus. I want to thank all of us because the success of this administration wouldn't have been possible without a very strong and peaceful home. For the fact that the Peterborough Nation has been very peaceful in the past 6 years in the face of even things that would have annoyed us. We have saved His Excellency some obvious distractions, and no wonder why he has recorded massive achievement in the governance of Imo State. So I want to see this opportunity to thank all of us. In one way or another, we have contributed to the success of the Owele administration. For why we are here, as a member of the House who is on the second tenure, I was able to deduce, I was able to make out of my experience this very hard fact, which I'm going to drop here. In the House of Assembly where I'm a member today, it is true that we are 27 honorable members. But then when they were in coup. As a first-time member of any House, no matter how powerful, no matter how intelligent, no matter how well-read, no matter how much rich you are, you will need a here. And the reason is because I am a ranking member. And once you get into the hallowed chamber, it will appear on the walls here, there, that a ranking member must talk first. A ranking member must seek first. A ranking member must take first. A ranking member must say first. So, whether he's educated or he's not educated, the fact that he has been there before you, he takes before you. So, ana m ayọ ndị that nation. Mgbe oge ruo, use own wisdom. If I were not in the House, I would be chairman of the committee he's chairman today in the House in Imo State. It's because I am there. That's why I could be chairman of Autonomous Committee Creation. No new member has ever started on that committee. Go and check the records of the Assembly. I am the House Committee chairman on local government. No new member has ever sat on that committee. And so it is in the federal level. He has done well by saying the much he has done as a new member. He has done much. And I want to say, if we do it the way they do it in other clients, you sit down and ask yourself, what do we need? What are we looking for? What do we intend to achieve when the time comes to say who will go? Each time you send a new member in any hallowed chamber, you have only said a servant. You have only said a servant. So, I'm going to tell you, it is left for us. The one is enough for the one. God bless us. The chairman of the